We have an episode to film. It's Sunday.
Crap. Welcome back to Empires and Cocktails. I'm Sir Ricky Bobby. Today, we are making our final drink in our observation of Dry Gin January. The last gin we've saved till the end. It is the gold at the end of the rainbow. The final page in the last book of a liquid saga. The final respects paid to a depressing month. The kicking of the proverbial 31-day bucket. Today, we will make the last word. But first, we have to do our victory shot. Today's shot is a gin that I made here at home, and it is called Sir Ricky Bobby's At Home Gin. We just might have to change the name of that gin to Sir Ricky's Heavenly Bliss. Now that I've jogged my memory, let's learn about the last word. We'll add ice to our shaking glass, 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce of Luxardo's 3/4 ounce of Chartreuse, and 3/4 ounce of dry gin. But first, we gotta take a shot of this. That is smooth. And a maraschino cherry to garnish with. And that's the last word. Today's words of wisdom are simple. Please subscribe. Oh, that was stupid.